Before we begin, take 1 second right now to subscribe to this channel, Coins ZF. If you're someone who respects history, values real money, and believes that even small coins can carry big stories, then this channel is made for you. Subscribing today means you will never miss another rare coin story that could change how you look at the change in your pocket forever. Today, I want you to imagine something very simple. A single Canadian $1 coin. Just $1. Something most people would spend without a second thought. Now imagine that same $1 coin existing in two very different moments in time. One born in 1989 at the edge of a changing world. The other born in 2023 in a modern age where cash itself is slowly disappearing. These two coins may share the same country, the same denomination, and the same familiar weight in the hand, but their stories are completely different. And when these stories come together, they reveal something powerful that let's start by going back in time. The year is 1989. Canada is a very different place. The sound of coins in pockets still matters. People trust physical money. The Royal Canadian Mint is producing $1 coins that are meant to last, meant to circulate, meant to represent national pride. This is the era of craftsmanship over speed. Every coin struck in 1989 carries the mindset of permanence. These coins were not designed to be forgotten. They were designed to be used for decades. When you hold a 1989 Canadian $1 coin, you're holding a piece of late 20th century Canada. This coin lived through economic shifts, political changes, and the final years before the digital age truly took over. Many of these coins passed through the hands of workers, retirees, shop owners, and travelers. Some were saved, some were lost, some were quietly worn down by time, and others remained untouched, hidden away in drawers, jars, and old collections. What makes the 1989 coin special is not just its age, but its survival. Coins from that era that remain in clean, well-preserved condition tell a rare story. They avoided decades of damage. They escaped scratches, corrosion, and heavy circulation. And in the world of coin collecting, survival in good condition is everything. Now, slowly return with me to the present. The year is 2023. Canada is modern, digital, fast-moving. Tap payments, online banking, and virtual wallets dominate everyday life. Coins are still produced, but their role has changed. The 2023 Canadian $1 coin is born into a world where physical money is no longer the star, but rather a symbol. This coin represents continuity. It reminds people that even in a digital world, real currency still matters. The 2023 $1 coin is sharply struck, clean, and precise. The technology behind its production is advanced. The finishes are consistent. The details are crisp. But here is the irony. Because fewer people rely on coins today, many modern coins are overlooked. They are ignored. And that is exactly how future rarity is born. Collectors understand something most people do not. Rarity is not only about age. It is about attention. Coins that are ignored today often become highly desirable tomorrow, especially when they represent a turning point in history. The 2023 Canadian $1 coin represents the era where coins began fading from daily life. That alone gives it historical weight. Now here is where these two coins connect. The 1989 coin represents the end of an old financial world. The 2023 coin represents the uncertainty of a new one. One comes from a time when coins ruled daily transactions. The other comes from a time when coins struggle to stay relevant. Together, They form a complete story of Canada's monetary journey. For collectors, this pairing is powerful. Older collectors often feel a strong emotional connection to coins like the $1,989. It reminds them of working years, family purchases, and everyday life. The 2023 coin, on the other hand, speaks to preservation. It is about saving something today that others will wish they had kept tomorrow. Condition plays a major role in both coins. A circulated 1989 coin tells a story of use, but an uncirculated or near-perfect example tells a story of intention. Someone chose to keep it safe. Someone believed it mattered. The same applies to the 2023 coin. Right now, it may look common, but in high-grade condition, untouched, flawless, and well-stored, it becomes a time capsule. Another factor that serious collectors respect is mintage awareness. Coins produced during transition periods, economic uncertainty, or shifting public habits often behave differently in the collector market. The late 1980s were a time of change. The early 2020s are even more dramatic. Coins from these periods tend to gain attention as years pass. This is why experienced collectors never laugh at small denominations. They understand that value is built slowly. It starts with history, then scarcity, then condition, and finally demand. By the time the public notices, it is often too late. Many viewers watching right now may already own one or both of these coins. Maybe the 1989 coin came from an old wallet or inheritance. Maybe the 2023 coin is sitting unnoticed in a drawer. The difference between a spender and a collector is awareness. Once you understand what you are holding, you stop seeing it as just money. This is why channels like CoinZF exist. Not to tell you to get rich overnight, but to help you see value where others see nothing. To help you slow down, look closer, and think long-term. Now, before I reveal the values, I want you to understand something very important. Coin value is not magic. It is not rumor. It is the result of time, preservation, and collector psychology. Coins that survive clean, untouched, and documented always stand apart from the rest. And now, as promised, here is the moment you have been waiting for. The 2023 Canada $1 coin, when discussed in this story, carries a value of $1. And the 1989 Canada $1 coin, in this story, carries a value of $1.2. If this video made you look differently at the coins around you, make sure you are subscribed to CoinZF, because the next story might already be in your pocket.